Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make a public channel in Telegram step by step. Open Telegram and tap New Channel, then follow prompts to name it and add a description. Choose Public Channel when asked, pick a unique username that matches your topic or brand, set who can post, and invite initial subscribers. I will walk you through privacy, username tips, and settings so your channel looks professional and is easy to find. Start by choosing a clear, searchable name and writing a short description that tells people what to expect. Include relevant keywords so users can find the channel, and add a call to action like join to encourage subscriptions. Keep the description direct, mention posting frequency, and use emojis sparingly to add personality. These small choices help your public channel appear in search results and attract the right audience quickly and reliably. Next, set a memorable username that is easy to type and share across platforms. Check availability carefully and avoid unusual characters that may confuse users or break link previews. Decide whether admins or selected members can post, and configure privacy settings to prevent spam. Review link preview behavior and who can add the channel to directories. These steps help maintain a professional presentation and keep your community safe and engaged.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.